Let's take the second example on chain rule. You see, this question is very, very simple. I will show you how you can solve it using the chain rule method, then you use the shortcut. First thing first, when you see something like this, you know it's chain rule. Yes. So how do you solve? Like I said, you said let u, oh my pen again, let u be equals to what? The term in the bracket. And what's the term in the bracket? We have 9. 9 what? 9x plus 4. So what will now be the u over the x? The u over the x, when you differentiate this, you see that you have just what? 9 left. So you then say y is equals to what? U. Y is equals to u raised to power 10. So when you differentiate the y, the u, when you differentiate u in respect to y, that's we have the y over, sorry, the y du, because they said it's not over again. The y du will be equals to what? When you differentiate this, we have 10. Differentiate this using power method, you have 10. 10u raised to power 9. We know that's how we used to do it. Then using chain rule method, the y ds is equals to what? The y du times what? Times du dx. So we are going to take our terms now. So what is the y du? The y du is just is 10. That's 10 u raised to power 9 times what? 9. So if you take this calculation, at the end, the y dx will give you what? Just multiply the term. We have 90, then u raised to power 9. But we are talking about the y dx. So, but we said that u, but u is equals to what? What is u? U is what? 9x plus 4. So in place of this u, let's put this. So let's say the y dx will be equals to what? Will be equals to 90 bracket, open the bracket. We put this term there, which is 9x plus 4. You close the bracket. Then you put the power, the index, and that's your answer. Now, how do you solve this using shortcut? Instead of you carrying all these plenty, because there are some questions where you also have chain rule inside a question. Yes. So how do you solve this using shortcut? Like I said, that the first thing, take note now. The first thing is to what? Write down the power. Write out the power. Sorry, the power. That's the first step you need to do. Then number two is to do what? Differentiate the term in the bracket. So you differentiate the term in the bracket. When you differentiate the term in bracket, then what do? You repeat term in bracket. Hmm? Repeat term in bracket. Repeat term. You repeat the term in bracket. Then number four, you subtract one from the power or from the index. Subtract one from the index. When you subtract one from the index, then lastly, you multiply everything. Multiply all. So how do we do this? We said the first thing. So in this question now, when we have a y is equals to what's the bracket 9x plus 4 bracket raised to power 10. And they say find the y dx. The y dx will just be as simple as write out the power. What's the power then? The power is 10. Then differentiate term in bracket. Differentiate term in bracket. What's the term in bracket? Which is 9. So when you differentiate this thing, 4 is off, x is off. Then we have what's left? 9. Then I said repeat term in bracket. What's the term in bracket? Repeat term in bracket. Repeat term in bracket. What's the term in bracket? We have 9x plus 4. Then subtract 1 from the power, you have 9. So you multiply everything at the end. 9 times this, you say And that is we have 90, then bracket. So instead of doing this in example, we just do three lines, you are done. You can't, no need of doing this. If you like this kind of video and you want more of this, please follow the celebrity pharmacologist. Thank you.